All right, guys. So basically, apple cider vinegar. I've been talking about the apple cider vinegar for so long, and you know what I mean. Or the apple cider vinegar is so good for you in weight loss and detoxing the body. All right. Now I want to say this is the apple cider vinegar, but you need to mix it with water. That's the best way to drink it. All right. So I'm gonna demonstrate to you how you should use it at home. All right. Now, this is also good for weight loss. This you can also drink it for help to lower your blood sugar. Drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, and also drink it at night before you go to your bed, and also you can drink it before a meal. Very effective, very much effective, and also very good for the immune system. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're going to show you how to use it. All right, so we get a cup just like that. Then you want to shake up the apple cider vinegar like this. All right, yeah. Oh, this one didn't open. I thought this opened. Let's see if I have a next one to open. Okay, look over here. Yeah, all right. I think this one is open. This big buckle one is open. I'm gonna use a big buckle one. So I still need to shake the big buckle one. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna put roughly about a teaspoon inside of it. And then we're going to pour some water and fill the cup. All right, so that's the best way you want to use the apple cider vinegar. Just don't drink it from the bottle, guys. Don't drink off this big bottle. All right, please. Just drink it like that. Can put some lemon. Some people put lemon in it, but it doesn't need to. Just drink it like this if you want to lose some weight. It will help you, definitely. I love it, and it's helped me a lot all over the years. As I said, I've been using it for a very long time. All right, and that's it right here. So let's drink this one. And this is the first thing I'm drinking this morning. Yeah. Apple cider vinegar. So you can drink it before a meal, and also you can drink it first thing in the morning or before you go to bed. All right, very good for weight loss and detoxing the body, but you still have to be careful, because if you drink it too much, you have to be careful with the numb of your teeth. Some people use straw to drink it. For more tips and ideas, please feel free to leave your comments. See you next time. Bye-bye.